My last 1,000 bill search was pretty tough. Of course, we tried a different bank, and I decided to go back to the hot bank to see if the hot bills would find their way back to me. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure, and welcome back to the channel. We have a $1,000 $1 bill hunt for you guys today, hoping to find something collectible. Now, all of these straps are teller straps, and teller straps are straps that are put together by the tellers through business deposits or even customers just bringing in a bunch of ones. And sometimes the tellers are keen and savvy to the fancy bills and they'll pull them out. But this bank has been one of my hotter banks, as you've seen. In 2 of my last 3 hunts, this bank has performed the best. And even though I went to a different bank last hunt to try something different, figured I would go back to the tried and true bank to see if we can get back on some fancies. Now, if you're new to bill searching or bill hunting, I have a ton of useful resources listed down below in the video description. Feel free to check those out. And if you like my bill hunting mat that you see here on the table in front of me, I also have a link for that right there as well. Now I've got 10 straps, each strap with 100 $1 bills. And as normal, I'll be hunting these off camera and bringing you guys back for strap recaps. Now, of course, we want fancy serial numbers. We want star notes. We're hoping that some are rare. And we'll also keep an eye out for any web notes, any bar notes, any printing errors, and things like that. Let me go ahead and get this started, and I'll bring you guys back in at the end of the very first strap, unless, while I'm searching it, we find something epic, and I bring you back before then. We have officially finished the first strap. It wasn't that bad. It gave us a couple of star notes, and we like to get at least 1 star note per strap to have 10 at the end of the hunt. And as always, I'll be looking up the star notes on the star note lookup site that I have listed down below in the video description to see if we have any rare ones. Just one other note, it's not a keeper, it's not fancy, it was almost a radar. 1020, and if you read it backwards, 1029. Needed the 9 to be a 0. Radar notes are definitely collectible, and that's what is on my mat right here. This one is not. It was in decent shape, would have been a nice bill. We'll send it back and move on to strap number 2 now. Strap number 2 was cold as ice, but I did put a bill from 2001 on top, just because it was kind of old. Of course, I only keep bills earlier than 2000. 2 straps down, 2 star notes found. Come on, strap number 3. Unfortunately, strap number 3 was also a bust. Not even something to talk about. Tough start now. Now we're behind on star notes and behind on fines. Come on, strap number 4. Get us back on track. Just finished strap number 4, and we have a few fines to report. First and foremost, we got another star note finally, 2017, only our 3rd of the hunt. Our second find is a birthday note, and typically birthday note is best, at least here in the US, as month, day, and year. And this one's the other way, 1965 year, month, and date, 12/13. Not exactly the best condition, not exactly in the best format, but still collectible. Some people that have birthdays on days like this will accept notes like this. Obviously, I'll go ahead and hold on to that. It's still somewhat cool. And then finally, it's not as great of an offcut as you can see, but this bill is an off-center cut. It's been miscut on the right. Technically, or at least typically, you want notes to have no white border showing to be more collectible. This one's a little bit off, but based on its condition and the fact that you can see some of the border, it's not that collectible to me. I'm gonna send it back. Just wanted to bring up, it was a close call in that strap. We now have 4 fines through 4 straps. Can you go 5 for 5? Well, strap number 5 only gave us 1 fine, and it's a star note, but it's also the 2013 B series star note, and any star note under 9.6 million as far as the serial number from 2013 is definitely one you want to find in any grade, because they accidentally made a mistake when printing these out. They printed them both at the Washington, D.C. facility and at the Fort Worth facility. So there's duplicated serial numbers from 0 through 9.6 million. Now, this is going to be a Fort Worth note as designated down here by the printing plate, FWD105. So I'll be sure to plug this into the 2013 duplicated B series star note spreadsheet listed down below in the video description to see if somebody has the matching pair. Again, it doesn't really matter the condition, because if you get the matching pair, it's worth quite a bit in any grade. On top of that, even if I didn't want to worry about getting the matching pair, people pay up for these ones. I've seen these go from $10 all the way to $100 in condition for just a B series 2013 star note. I'm happy to have found it. It is my 4th star note. We haven't found one of those in a while. We have 5 finds now through 5 straps. Let's see what strap number 6 has in store for us. Strap number 6, just star note number 5, F-Series 2017A. 5 star notes, 6 straps in, 4 straps to go. Come on, strap number 7, help us out. Strap number 7 gave me a scare. I got another B-Series star note, but it's from 2017A. We'll still take it. That makes 6 now through 7 straps. And then we got a second bill here that I'm going to hold on to. It's pre-2000. Nothing special about it, but I hold on to all bills pre-2000. This is a 1999. We'll put that to the side. All right. 2 keepers from strap number 7. How many keepers will we have in strap number 8? Strap number 8 ended up being kind of a fun strap with some decent finds. First and foremost, we did get our 7th star note, one from 2017A. Put that with the star notes. We had almost a repeater, 6015, 6019. Man, so close, yet so far. Another bill worth mentioning is this one with a lot of 8s. 6 8s on the bill, 4 in a row. I keep all bills that have 5 in a row, but because there's 6 8s on this bill, man, had that 4 and 7 been the same number, it would have been a sweet note. Or if any of that 4 and 7 would have been another 8, it would have been crazy. It's a close call, but I think I'm going to hold on to it because I think it looks kind of cool. Typically, I don't keep trinaries. That's what this is, a trinary note. 3 different numbers make up the serial number. But man, there's a lot of 8s in there. We'll hold on to it. And then another trinary, another close call to being a great note. 51150155. Had that 0 been any number like a 1 or a 5, would have been super sweet. Like I said, trinary notes do fetch some value if they're kind of cool looking. I think it's kind of cool. I'm going to hold on to these 2 trinaries being kind of cool. Maybe not as cool as the one listed there, but man, this one and that one, I think I can get more for face value on these bills. You guys let me know down below. Do you think these are a waste to hold, or do you think you can get more than face value if you were to put them on eBay or something? We'll have to see. All right, 8 straps down, starting to stack up the finds. We need more though. Let's see how strap 9 does. Strap number 9 was a nice strap for star notes. We got 3 of them. That makes 10 now. We've hit our number 10 through 9 straps with another one to go. And then I had a couple more close calls. Lots of 8s on that bill, but not enough to keep it. Lots of 9s on that bill, but not enough to keep it. 48-2 and 49-2. But yeah, just wanted to show those off. All right, 3 good finds, 1 strap left of the hunt. Let's see if it gives us a parting gift. We have officially wrapped up the 10th strap, and it had 2 more parting gifts for us, 2 more star notes. That means we had 12 star notes in 10 straps. And again, this bank has been good on them consistently. We also had the birthday note, a couple of possible collectible notes that I'm going to hold on to, and only 1 bill prior to 2000. What's next to do is to plug all of these into the Star Note lookup site. Let me do that. I'll be back with a recap of my finds, see if we have any rare ones, and some final thoughts on today's 10-strap hunt. Okay, I am back. I have finished plugging in all the star notes from today's finds into the Star Note lookup site. I will have a couple of more rare ones. First up is this 2017A F032 note. Plugged it into the Star Note lookup site. While it does have a nice run size of only 640,000, which puts it about a third up the rarity scale, unfortunately, 10.99 total printed, so that's going to knock the value down. So while it is more rare, it's actually less rare because of the amount printed. Similar situation here, 2017A B series starts off with 032, just like that one, ironically. And when I bring that one up in the Star Note lookup site, again, only 640,000 printed, makes it kind of rare. Still though, 7.0 million total printed. While it's better than the other one, it's still all the way down on the rarity scale. So star notes like these might fetch an extra buck. This one maybe an extra buck on top of that because it's in decent condition. But really, all of these are common up here, slightly more rare here. These are worth $2 to $3 each. These are worth $3 to $4 probably in my opinion. Finally, I did plug in the B series star note from 2013. I have that up here. Shows that I submitted it into the form. And when I checked the database to make sure that there was a matching pair out there, as of February of 2024, which was just last month, no one had the matching pair to this one just yet. I'll just go and hold on to it. Like I did say earlier though, Star notes like this can fetch anywhere between $5 and $100, depending on if someone really wants it, because the B Series 2013 ones within the range are hot out there as far as selling on eBay, even in tough shape like this one. I know we didn't have a bunch of fancies. We got a birthday note, a couple of kind of cool notes, an old note, and 12 star notes. Still a great hunt overall, in my opinion, and this bank continues to deliver, so I'll have to pick up some more bills next week. If you guys enjoyed this 10-strap $1,001 bill search today, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.